We are pleased to show you the 2025 Sierra 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, tailgate step, remote engine start, cargo bed light, LED, active grille shutters, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, power brakes. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, leather trim seats, wireless charging station, heated steering wheel, audio radio, touch screen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function,